1408. Almost every man falls into the same trap, and the worst part is he doesn't even see it coming until it's already too late, because the truth is this: it's not age that ruins a man's relationships, it's something much quieter, much more subtle, and far more dangerous. Have you ever stopped to think about why some men, even in their 40s or 50s, still stay attractive, confident, and emotionally appealing while others slowly fade away? It's not about money, it's not about looks, and it's definitely not about luck. It all comes down to psychology, and almost no one really explains it clearly. If you fail to understand female psychology and attraction, understand this: you can lose real connections without ever knowing why. In this video, Dr. Jodie Whittaker is going to break down what actually changes inside a man's mind over time, and how those changes directly affect his ability to connect, attract, and keep relationships. These are not typical tips or feel-good phrases. These are real principles, uncomfortable but true. And the last one is what most men ignore, and also the one they end up paying the biggest price for. Here's where the problem starts. Many men think that with age they should naturally have everything figured out: more experience, more logic, more stability. But in reality, something very different happens. They become more emotionally closed, more fixed in their thinking, and much harder to connect with on a deeper level. And that slowly kills attraction, because a woman doesn't connect with your experience. She connects with what she feels when she's around you. You can have your entire life perfectly in order, but if you don't create emotions, there is no real connection. And this is where most men fall short. They start believing that being mature means becoming emotionally distant. Over time, they stop taking risks. They stop showing who they truly are. They stop feeling things deeply. Instead, they begin to protect themselves. And while that might seem smart in relationships, it's a big mistake. Because emotional connection needs vulnerability, not weakness, but the courage to be open. The ability to express what you feel, to stay present, to stop hiding behind a mask of control. But many men, as time goes on, do the exact opposite. They become predictable, distant, hard to reach, and that creates an instant disconnect. There's something important that almost no one tells you. Love does not keep itself alive. It needs to be built every single day. But many men reach a point where they think, I don't need to prove anything anymore. And that's where things start going downhill. They stop noticing small details. They stop truly listening. They stop paying attention. And slowly, without even realizing it, the relationship starts losing its warmth. Not all at once, but little by little, like a flame quietly dying out. And by the time they finally wake up, it's already too late. Here's something you need to clearly understand. Attraction in a grown relationship is not about impressing someone. It's about how you make them feel. Do you create calmness? Do you create connection? Do you create emotion? Because without emotion, everything becomes routine. And routine eventually kills desire. That's why some older men do what seems almost impossible. They stay interesting. They stay wanted. They keep being chosen, not because they are perfect, but because they never stop creating real emotional experiences. Now pay close attention to this. It's not about what you say. It's about how the other person feels when they are around you, your energy, your attention, the way you listen. That is everything. A man who truly understands this doesn't need to try too hard to impress. His presence alone shows confidence without arrogance, interest without neediness, calmness without emotional coldness. And that mix is rare. That's exactly why he naturally stands out. But here's the most important point of all. The biggest mistake men make as they get older is that they stop growing emotionally. They grow in their careers, they grow financially, they gain experience, but they don't grow in how they connect and how they love. And that keeps them stuck, because relationships are not held together through logic. They are kept alive through connection. And if you don't grow in that area, everything else loses its meaning. The truth is simple but not easy to accept. Your value in a relationship is not defined by your age. It is defined by your ability to connect. And the powerful part is this is something you can build. You can learn it. You can get better at it. You can master it. If you truly understand this, you won't just improve your relationships. You will completely change how others experience being around you.